Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in GMC Acadia Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then lift the front with jack stands if needed. Locate the oil drain plug and oil filter, and position a drain pan underneath. Wear gloves and let the engine cool enough to avoid burns while you collect the tools and new oil. Warm oil drains faster, so run the engine a short time, then turn it off and let it settle. Safely raise the vehicle and set it on jack stands, then slide the drain pan under the oil pan. Break the drain plug loose and remove it by hand, allowing oil to flow until it slows to a drip, then reinstall the plug with a fresh gasket if needed. Remove the old oil filter and clean the mounting surface, then coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and thread it on by hand until snug. Refill the engine with the specified amount of 5W30 oil through the filler cap, then start the engine briefly to circulate oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and check the dipstick to confirm the level is within.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.